Hello, my name is Yang, and today I'm going to talk about syllable. I'm talking about on syllable. Let's get started. What is a syllable? Syllable. What is a syllable? So when we talk about syllable, we are talking about a group of letters. A group of letters that has one vowel sound. So that is why there is a rule that every English word should have at least one vowel. So a vowel is a syllable, not just a vowel, but an active vowel in a word. So I want to read one more time. A syllable is a group of letters that has one vowel sound. A syllable can be a word or a part of a word. So you can look at some examples beneath. We have sun. Our vowel is a, sun. So our a is a syllable. Then next one, dog. The o, our o is a syllable because it is the only active vowel in the word. Then we have li. So if you look at the word li, our syllable here is a. Y changes to a. So here we say sometimes y is a vowel because y can make the a sound. It can also make the I sound, the long I. Then we also have ip. Our syllable is a. Then we have ot. Ot. Our vowel is o. Here our vowel is a. Now let's move on. When we talk about syllable, it also the sound of a vowel. So not just a vowel, but specific vowel. That is a, e, or a. One more time. A, e, or a. A, e, or a. So when a vowel is able to make these five basic sounds, that vowel is considered to be an active vowel, and therefore it is a syllable. That is great. So when I read the whole thing one more time, is the sound of a vowel a, e, o, a, or a, e, I, o, u. That is created when pronouncing the letters a, e, I, o, u. That's what we're talking about. So we are saying that a syllable is when a sound of a, e, I, o, u is created in a word. It makes it a syllable. And mathematically, one sound of a vowel equals one syllable. One sound of a vowel equals one syllable. So if I use a word like man, I can hear a, man. So the a here is my vowel, the only active vowel, and therefore it is a syllable, and therefore man is a one syllable because I can hear only one active vowel sound. Let's move on. If two or more vowels are next to each other, this is very important. The number of syllables is the number of vowel sound. The number of syllables is the number of vowel sound. So here what we mean is that a syllable is not basically the number of vowels, but rather the number of active vowels in a word. So for example, if I say the word meat, M-E-A-T, meat, that is a food that we eat. For example, steak. Now you realize that the E-A in the middle of meat, the E and the A, they come together, they team up together. In English, we say they blend together to form a single unit of sound or to form a new sound which is distinct from the former sound. Therefore, we have two vowels, but still it is considered as one sound. Therefore, the word meat is a one syllable word, or we say that it is a monosyllabic word. If two or more vowels are next to each other, the number of syllables is the number of vowel sound. Is the number of vowel sound. So number of syllable equals number of vowel sound. What kind of vowel? Active vowels. If two or more vowels are next to each other, the number of syllable is the number of vowel sound. Very important. Even if there are three and they come together, normally in English, when vowels lies to each other, or when vowels are together, we call them team vowels. They always make a single sound. They can be two, they can be three. It doesn't matter. If two vowels are making a single sound, that kind of vowel is called vowel team. And the technical word is called, we say blending. That's a vowel blending. The vowels are blending together. Then we also have this example. So Y is a vowel only if it creates an A, E, I, O, or U sound. So Y is a vowel sometimes because Y can create I sound. It can create E sound. Let's look at some examples. So we have a word like fry. So if you look at fry or fry potato, fry, the verb is fry. You will see that the final sound, which is I, I. So here Y is making the I sound, which is a long vowel. Therefore, here Y is a vowel, and at the same time, it is a syllable. So fry is a one syllable word. Let's come to the word dry. It's the same rule. So the Y is making the I sound, and therefore dry is also a one syllable word. Try and cry. So you see, all these words are following the same or similar pattern. So we've just looked at our examples. Let's move on. That's a fry. It makes the I sound. Try. It makes the I sound. Dry. It makes the I sound. And also cry. It makes the I sound. Therefore, Y is a vowel. So we're looking at some example. Here I want to talk about silent letter. And before that, the number of times you hear the sound of a vowel is the number of syllables in a word. So the number of times that you hear the vowel is the number of syllables. What we're talking about. Examples. We have a word like fire. If you look at the word fire, you can see that it's only one syllable. Why? So you realize that I-R-E form a team vowel, and it makes the sound ear, like the sound of your ear. Fire, ear. And you also have tire. So you see that it also makes one syllable because I-R-E blend together to form a single sound. But our last example, we have sail. There is a rule in English. It is called the LE rule. What does it mean? It means that whenever a vowel is followed by LE, that is not a syllable. LE would never be a syllable. For example, let me give you an example so you can understand. When I write the word apple, before LE, we have a consonant P, apple. Because of that, apple, the LE is a syllable by itself. So apple becomes two syllables. But in case of sail, because a vowel is followed by LE, whenever a vowel is followed by LE, it doesn't make a syllable. That's the English rule. But when a consonant is followed by LE, it makes a syllable. Let me give you plenty of examples so that you'll be able to understand what we're talking about. Some examples are a word like cycle. You see the LE, before the LE there is C. There's C, therefore it makes a syllable. Another example is able. B comes before the LE, therefore B is a consonant, and it also makes a syllable. We're going to talk about this in detail. It also makes a syllable. We'll talk about detail on this so that we'll be able to understand it deeply. A silent vowel is not a syllable. A silent vowel. There are some corrections I didn't make. So there's no S there, and here too there's no S there. Forgive me for that. I'll do the correction after the video. So we've seen a silent vowel is not a syllable. A silent vowel is not a syllable. Why? Because if you look at the last, you see that there's E. That E is silent. E silent. E silent. That is why we say a silent vowel is not a syllable. We'll end it here because of time. We don't want to make the video lengthy. See you and bye.